Hello, sir, and everyone. How are you today? I hope you are in the good condition. So, on this video, I would like to explain about video reflection on session 1 until 8. But before that, let me introduce myself first. So, my name is Ibu Turisa Clartaloka, with student's ID is 201-202-1045, and with present list number 14. So, the first one is I will explain about 3 things that I learned in this session. So the first, I have learned about one type of research, namely quantitative research, in more detail and depth, especially the quantitative theory, definition, types, and the differences between quantitative research and qualitative research, where from previously not knowing at all about what is quantitative and then still lacking about qualitative research, and now I have more information, a better understanding, and also I can distinguish between quantitative and qualitative research. And then the second one is I have learned about making good and correct research topic, determining research question, research problem, compiling backgrounds, and literature review, where I have learned a lot about how to determine a good topic and determine research question so that the question are in accordance with quantitative research. In addition, I also learned about how to see the issues and problems that actually occur so that the problems become a strong reason for conduct a research based on problems that is occur. So I also learned about literature review, in which we create tables or metrics that contain a summary of previous research and conduct by previous researcher in the form of name, title, methodology, method use, year of journal publication, and also finding and conclusion. And the last is my personal notes. In the literature review, we also learn to explore and reproduce literacy regarding previous research related to the topic that we take. So through a literature review, we know which research has been carried out and which has not been carried out so that it can be considered for future research. And then the third things that I learned is I have to learn about how to give feedback, especially in criticizing and giving advice, where our abilities will be honed to be able to assess and provide advice. So peer feedback is very beneficial. We can learn from mistakes. We also can improve our own work based on suggestions given by our friend so that our own work can be more structured and become even better. And then the next, about 2 things that you plan to implement in your class. The first one is I plan to implement a learning system with more literacy for purposes in research theories so that our understanding and knowledge can be increased and can be implemented to fulfill research. And then the second one is I plan to re-establish the peer feedback system and scoring rubric in every assignment that have been made. Each task that is given, and then we made the task, then made a feedback and an assessment rubric. So that so through this we can learn more about the shortcomings that still need to be improved in future research. And then the next is one thing that you still need to improve. So one thing that I still need to improve is to reproduce and expand literacy or readings related to the theories and previous research that has been done. So I can incorporate more theories into my research to make it more proven and reliable. In addition, I also use previous research as a reference in this research so that I get more reference, and of course my literacy also increases. So I think that's all about my video reflection on this session. So thank you for your attention and have a nice day, everyone. Stay healthy. Goodbye.